All parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter has expressed heartfelt gratitude to Pakistan's military leadership for its unwavering and steadfast support to the Kashmir freedom movement. Pakistan's Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir, speaking at the Magla Dialogue in Islamabad, described the ongoing atrocities in occupied Kashmir as an extension of the Hindutva ideology. Highlights that as the International Day of the Tolerance is being observed globally, India, under the leadership of the BJP government, has become increasingly overt and violent in its tolerance towards the religious minorities. The report notes that the Hindutva affiliated parties, including the BJP, RSS, Bajrang Dal, and the VHP, have regularly resorting to violence, intimidation, and harassment against the minorities across India. In occupied Kashmir, Indian forces influenced by the Hindutva ideology have waged campaign of violence against the civilian population. All parties Hurriyat Conference has said that the Indian government is subjecting the Kashmiris to the worst form of state terrorism for demanding their right to self-determination. Leaders and organizations affiliated with the APHC in their statements issued in Srinagar emphasized that India has illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir for the past 77 years. National Conference President Dr. Farooq Abdullah has once again called for the immediate restoration of the full-fledged statehood to occupied Kashmir, expressing deep concern over the exploitation of the local resources and the job opportunities by the outsiders. Speaking at a Sikh gathering in Jammu on the occasion of the Guru Nanak's birthday, Farooq Abdullah highlighted the adverse effects of the influx of the non-locals. In occupied Kashmir, 3.52 lakh youth were registered as unemployed in the first quarter of 2024. This was revealed by the Directorate of Employment in the recent report. The report said that among 3.52 lakh, 1.09 lakh are graduates and postgraduates, comprising 31% of the total unemployed youth.